Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video we will cover our new feature of React 19.2, which is activity. Okay, basically activity is very simple and it simply preserves the state when the UI is hidden. So let's see this with an example. Okay, then we'll go back to the proper definition. So I have created one small uh, like employee details one component. Okay, and I'm showing that component this employee details based on this toggle. Okay, in a state my default value is true, and on click of that one it will make it true false toggling, and based on that one I will show and hide my this component. So let's see this one. Okay, so this is my component, and on click on toggle it's showing and hiding. Okay, now let's see if I'm just entering some text to this my component. I'm just clicking on the toggle and again coming back. You can see the value is completely vanished. The reason for that one is because whenever we use this way of showing the component, right, React completely unmount this component. Okay, that's why even the state will be vanished in that case. So to handle this one, to maintain the state, we can use the activity. So just let me uncomment this code, right? So similar component, the same component here, with the help of activity features of React 19, what we can do here, we can set the mode now based on this condition. So similar condition, I am making it visible and hidden. Okay, based on these flag values, and loads the component. Let's see how it works. Okay, so both look same, and on toggle disappeared and again it is displaying. The only change is the first one, because the React unmounts it completely, and in this case React just maintains the state, right? So if you do toggle details and again come back, you can see the state is maintained. You can still see the value. Okay, so that is what we have the activity. So coming to definition, activity is a React 19.2 feature that lets you hide or show part of the UI while preserving its state. Okay, we have validated the same with the example. Activity allows React to hide a component without completely removing it. So in previous case like this, it will completely remove the component, but it will not remove the component. It will just hide a component so that its state and UI work can be preserved for when it becomes visible again. Okay, thank you.